Every now and again, someone creates a product that changes the world. Something so artistically designed and expertly crafted, you wonder how it's even possible. A product that changes the way we live our lives and how we treat the earth. With masterful skill, precision, and years of research, GeoCool has created that product. Our geothermal systems are tested to the highest standards, built with the best parts, and made in America. With a 10-year warranty, each system is constructed to stand the test of time. To use efficient, renewable energy that will help save you money and save our planet, and make your home a place of peace and comfort.